Hello, everybody. It's Aurora team here, and welcome to our Friday Alpha Leaks. As always, today we would like to share with you some of the updates from the Aurora. First of all, I need to say to you that unfortunately last week we were not able to do the stream, though you are able to access our news in our blog. So if you will go to blog and you will see the weekly updates, you will see that from the last week there is a weekly update. There are lots of interesting stuff there too. So check it out in case you missed the stream and you didn't figure out how to understand what are the updates. So this week we have our usual stream, and I would like to demonstrate you a couple of cool stuff here. So first of all, we have updated the Aurora Bridge interface, and now it looks like that. You can see here that we have now a specific place for pending transfers. All of the transfers are going to be displayed here that are at the moment are pending. And there is also an estimation of the completeness of the transfer. So this can give you some information on when you should come back to the interface and approve the next steps of the transfer. You are also able to start a new transfer. The UI for this is also fully changed. So for example, I can do the transfer at deposit to Aurora transfer of F. And just take a look here. The interface shows only the tokens with a positive balance, right? Well, non-zero balance. So I can start a transfer of 0.1 F or maybe 0.01 F. I can confirm the transfer. And as usually, MetaMask pops up and says what is going to be the fee and how, and I can just click the executed. And that's it. Transaction submitted. I do not need to do anything else. I can click done, and you will be able, and like me and you eventually, when you are going to use this, you will be able to see that there is a deposit transfer that is happening here, estimated to complete in 10 minutes. In the end of the stream, I'm going to come back here and you will see that this time is going to decrease, or perhaps even the transfer will be finalized here. So cool new look.
Hey, Alex.
Yep. Michael?
YouTube says waiting for Aurora still. I don't know if that's intended.
No.
Alex, you pointed it out
it is
in the chat.
streaming in another link. It is streaming in.
Oh, it's streaming another link. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, maybe I shared the wrong link. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so coming back here, bottom line, Aurora Bridge interface is updated. I hope you will like it. It looks more fresh, more more intuitive to everybody. So I hope you like it. Now, coming to the next activities, and we would like to say that we have been sponsoring the hackathon that was organized by our partners, IOSG Ventures. They were doing the Layer 2 hackathon, and Aurora was putting a prize pool of 4.5 thousand US dollars there. And the hackathon was completed actually, and 3 teams, FlyTip, IFTip bot, and DTip bot, they were receiving the prizes from Aurora team. So congratulations, teams, and just a note to everybody: stay tuned on all of the hackathons and all of the activity around Aurora. We have lots of new things coming up, and the preparations for this. So you have your chance to win some prizes for your projects and for anything interesting that you're developing for Ethereum and eventually Aurora blockchains. Now I would like to share with you some updates about the bridge itself, right? A couple of days ago, or no, not a couple of days, just yesterday, it was the London hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain. For many, this upgrade was not that visible, I would say, just because there were some new transaction types that were added. However, for the breach, and because of the trustless nature of the breach, it was super important update for us because the structure of a block changed, which means that the breach contracts needs to be updated. So yesterday, you have been seeing, or the ones who have been using Rainbow Bridge or Aurora Bridge, they were experiencing some delays with the bridging. That was because we were updating our smart contracts and making sure that everything is okay with this London hard fork. Right now, as you can see in the bridge, the transfers, I was doing the transfer earlier today in the morning. The transfers are finalizing. Everything looks correct. Everything works as expected. So the bridge right now is in a good on the mainnet bridge right now is in the good shape. Now, on the other hand, the testnet bridge, unfortunately, is shut down. The reason for this is that Ropsten network right now experiencing some major problems, including very large reworks because of the update connected with the IP 1159. So because of this, unfortunately, we are not able to keep with all of these changes, since, as you know, again, due to the trustless nature of the breach, we need to make sure that all of this, our relayers need to convey all of the changes in the network to near testnet. So, and as we have been announcing in the blog article from the last week, we are going to migrate the testnet bridge to Gertie network. And this right now, Gertie testnet bridge is deployed on the testnet. Though it is accessible only to developers, you would not be able to use it as a user from the Aurora website. So this is something that we are going to finalize next week. Our target time is next week. So we are hoping to finalize the new testnet bridge, fully robust, since Gertie network is working good. Without any major problems happening there. So our target time is the next week. And last but not least, I would like to remind everybody that in case you are participating in some DeFi activities on the Near blockchain, well, first of all, the bridge that you would need to use is the Rainbow Bridge. Rainbow Bridge is available at ethereum.bridge2near.org, right? And within this bridge, you would need to log in with two of your accounts. These are your MetaMask account or Wallet Connect account, and also your Near account. So this interface allows you to transfer funds from Ethereum to Near mainnet and back. And recently there were some additional token sales happening on Near blockchain. So people wanted to move their liquidity from Ethereum to Near blockchain, including DAI and wrapped Ethereum tokens. So I just want to remind everybody that Rainbow Bridge and eventually Aurora Bridge, they are in general allowing the transfers of two different tokens that may represent absolutely the same thing from your point of view, though on the smart contract level, these are the different tokens. These tokens are F and wrapped F, right? Or F and WF. So F itself is a base token of Ethereum blockchain, and F is something that is available for transfers inside of the Aurora bridge right now. So this was actually that I was doing what I was doing with this transfer. If you are transferring something and you're depositing to Aurora, then naturally you're depositing F. On the Rainbow bridge before the last week, there was an option to transfer both F and wrapped F. And that caused confusion because people were transferring F instead of wrapped F, though in the terms of the token sale, it was clearly stated that they're collecting as a payments wrapped F. So please pay your attention to the tokens. Yeah, and I can open the list of the tokens right now. Yeah, so I'm just warning all of you, please pay your attention to the tokens that are accepted in the token sales or any other activities, because there is this difference. And for the sake of clarification, for some time, we actually excluded ETH from the token list from the Rainbow Bridge. So right now you would not be able to find here ETH, and the only token that is connected to Ether itself that you are able to find here would be wrapped Ethereum. This token was actually used in the token sales, and this is something that you need to transfer. There are lots of services on the Ethereum blockchains that allow you to do the wrapping of Ethereum, so from ETH to wrapped ETH, and this is something that you need to use first of all, and then you will be able to transfer wrapped ETH to Near blockchain. Over the time, when we are going to remove these problems and make it easier to the users to see the difference in between these two tokens, we are going to return back ability to breach ETH for the Rainbow Bridge. But right now, again, this is something that is seized. It is seized on the front end level, right? If you're a developer and you would like to experiment, then please make use of our documentation, and you will be able to breach your ETH to the Near accounts if this is necessary for you. So these are the major updates from our side. Just want to go back to the transfers here. You are able to see that my transfer of 0.01 ETH is actually confirmed. Actually, are we able to view the transaction? Yeah, unfortunately not yet, because we do not have a block explorer for this transaction. But yeah, this transfer is complete. Now on Aurora, I do have 0.01 ETH that I would be able to spend for the transaction fees or for any other activities on the Aurora blockchain. So again, hope you are liking this new interface. Give it a try, and want to answer some of the questions that we have in our stream. So could I transfer token between Aurora and Near currently? I believe yes, but maybe Matt, you are able to answer this question.
Sorry, can you transfer tokens between Aurora and Near?
Right. Is there a URL that we can go there? Is it aurora.bridgetonear.org, right?
Go on the drop-down menu there.
Okay, I can go to the drop-down menu. Okay, Aurora and Near. Yeah, it is aurora.bridgetonear.org, and yeah, you are able to connect with your Near wallet and with your Aurora wallet, which is MetaMask, right? And you are able to do these transfers. We have been launching this around 3 weeks ago, or maybe even 4 weeks ago. Okay, good time also for all of the rest of the people to ask their questions in case there are some. And in case there are no questions, thanks for being with us. Hopefully you enjoyed this update, and stay tuned for new updates, and see you in a week. Goodbye. Oh.